Hello there again. So I'm back with a quick little video. So for this number one dad album, two things. I wanted to show you the cover of the paper collection. I found it. It fell on the floor. So it's Whiskey Barrel, and you can find this at Michael's. It's one of their Recollections collections. In this collection was this giant thing that could not fit into my album. It just was too big, but it's so fabulous. I wanted to use it on this album, on the pages, all that good stuff. So I came up with this. So I want you to look at this, so when you have something like this in your paper collection and you think you can't use it, you can. All right, so I came up with this little fun insert. Super simple, guys. Have the image, have the life in focus, and you have this fun little interactive piece that is perfect for photographs. All right, you can journal on here, of course. You can put a photo here if you want to, entirely up to you, but it just works. It looks so good, and again, a fun interactive piece that's easy with a wow factor, and it fits in your album, and you're able to use those really large images. You get this also with your purchase of your number one dad tutorial. All right, so that also comes with your purchase. So I hope you enjoy.